Hi there, and so I'm back now to fit the elbow from Mountune. This just fits sort of close onto the top of the engine. The Mountune one is restricted in here, I think. I'll take the old one off and show you the comparisons of the two before I fit them back together. It's quite straightforward to change. I've seen someone do it on the internet. I'm not sure what performance difference it's going to make, but it just gives the air a more direct route from the intercooler to the turbo. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll explain how I get the old one off and how we put the new one on. So okay, so I've got the main camera set up here. I've got GoPro here, and this is what we're trying to remove. So I'm going to unplug this sensor, unplug this air pipe to get these out of the way, and then there's 3 screws here to undo, and then obviously the main Jubilee clip on the bottom pipe. So this is what we're replacing. It goes like that. So this sensor fits here, that pipe fits here, Jubilee clip round here bolts on there. The easiest things to get this lot removed, and then I'll sort of show you what needs to be done after we've got this off. I'll try and show you the difference anyway. So I think these clips here, you just, I don't know if that comes right off or not, but there's 2 bits to this clip. You have to get a screwdriver just in there, just to pry them apart like that. And I think this just then will just pull off here. He says, yeah, like that. So just don't lose your clips. I don't think they come off, to be fair. So I'll just sort of maybe try and tuck this over here. Yeah, that's right now. There we go. This clip, I think, slides that way. Now I'm not sure how it comes off after that. There we go. Tuck that one out of the way down there. And we're pretty good to go, I think. I think I'm going to slacken the Jubilee clip first. I've just got a 7mm socket here, which fits onto that Jubilee clip. Just not a lot of movement here to that's nice and loose anyway. I think I'll take the sensor off next, which is going to be with T25. T25 fits that. I have noticed on the upgrade, just be gently pull that out. Yeah, that's put that over there nice and safely with that bolt there. I've noticed on here that you get a different fixing down bolt for the sensor, but I'll have a look at that in a minute or two. So I'll just take these 3 mountain fixings out now. Which this is a T30, which fits these. So look at it. Just them 3 off there. Oh yeah, and that's really loose now. I know so what I do know from watching another video is that there's a clip here, There's another one of them under here somewhere. Down here, so I think if I just gently prise that over, that's easy enough. And the other one, I can't see, but I can get it with my finger now. There it is. There. Gently pull it out. And I think these are a pig to get off the silicone hose. Make sure the Jubilee clips live right down. Let's go down. Let's see if I can get this off now. This is the difference. You can see from the side profile that this is a lot of a more sweep and bend than this one. And the bottom, you can see this one is restricted, this one is straight through. So other than that, there's no difference. Apart from this is obviously plastic, this is aluminium. So I've got to take this gasket out of here and replace into here. There's a little tab there which fits into this groove here. Swap that over in a minute. But I think the first thing I need to do really is to get this to locate back onto this pipe here before I do anything else. So see how easy this pushes onto there. Well, that's easy enough as it's going to be. Need to twist it around. Well, I thought that was going to be harder than that. I just need to retrieve the Jubilee clip now, which I can see. Back up. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Neighbour walking past, what a chat. So, yeah, so I managed to get that seated down nicely. I think what I'm going to do is just sort of nip the Jubilee clip up now, so it's sort of tight so it don't keep slipping down, and then I'll do a final tightening once I know everything's in position. So. I think that'll do for now. Right, next thing I'm going to do is to put the gasket from this one. Just try and pull that out nice and gently. Place it under here. Yeah, that's nice. That is good. Right, so the next thing to do is to get this to line up into the hole. There's little locating lugs on there, which are these bits here. just sort of holding it in place already, so it feels nice now. That's nice and tight. Right, so sensor, take the screw out here now. Try not to drop this, because you'll never get things back when you drop them down there. As you know from my video when I fitted the air intake, it was a nightmare. And I dropped the rubber grommet from here down there. So this should just fit nicely. Just take this out of the way now. Plug it there. Just put this on here nicely. Okay, that fits nice. Put this down back. I'm guessing because there's aluminium, these screws I'm guessing aren't going to hold in, so I just need to get an Allen key for that. That is a H5. There you go. Let's plug this now back onto the we go. Plug that back there. That can't come off. Need to plug the lid up at that sensor cable. That's it. Just put this hose back up here properly. Plug the sensor back in. Going to check the jubilee tip's done up. Yeah, that's nice and tight now. That, I believe, is it. So, what you're left with is the old elbow and then the screw that holds the airflow sensor in. So, I'll just clear the tools up, start the engine up, making sure there's no leaks or anything I can hear. That's funny, no lights on the dashboard, and then I'll be back. Well, after that start-up, successful, no engine lights, there's no leaks or anything I can see from the engine or feel, so I'm going to take it for a spin now, and I'll do a follow-up video of my reactions and thoughts and see if there's any difference. So give us a thumbs up if you like the content, keep subscribing if you want to see some more. There's plenty more to come, so I'll see you in the next one.